Hey Elizabeth, Michelle, this is Brandon sending over that short custom video here for you guys. Gonna go over three things here that can hopefully, you guys can implement this right away and bring in some more business because that's what it's all about. The first thing I go over is keywords and content on your homepage. Second thing is going to be citations, and the last thing is going to be backlinks. I go over these three things because this is also what Google looks for with their algorithms and things like that, and how they place people in the search. So the first thing they look at is they want to see at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. So uh, go in here, add some more content to your home page. And the reason they want to see that much content is because they're really looking for the keywords inside that content so they know which way to point their potential customers, right? So the best way I can explain keywords is this. Put yourself into your potential client's shoes. What are they typing into that Google search bar that is going to make Google take that information and send them your way? All right. So keywords with, divorce attorney, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Brookfield, um, family law, bankruptcy, all the keywords that, the services that you provide, and then tag a location in on that inside that, content as well. So more keywords, which requires you to have more content, is going to do you a lot of favors. So hopefully that makes sense. The second thing I did was I did a few website searches here. The first one was divorce attorney Brookfield. Second one is going to be Brookfield divorce attorney. And you'll notice that when these searches come up, the first thing you see is the ads, right? And ads are pretty self-explanatory. You're paying to be at the top of page one on Google when people type this stuff in, right? So you can pay to be there. That's the first way you can get on page one, or you can become part of the map pack. And this is where citations come into play. When you filled out your GMB or Google My Business profile, you submitted your business name, address, email, phone number. Now, any place out there on the web that you have that same information that matches your GMB, whether it be in Yellow Pages, a Home Advisor, a Thumbtack, a White Pages, any social media platforms, blogs, that's going to get you a citation. So I always tell people, shout from the rooftops, get in as many directories as you possibly can. Don't just do it in the area that your office is located in. Do it in the areas that you're looking to also service, because whoever has the most citations ends up in this map pack. Okay, so that's the second way you can get on page one. And then the third thing you can do is you can get on by being organically ranked with your website. Okay, and what I do is I use a tool called Ahrefs, and anybody can use this tool. It's a monthly fee to use it, but it breaks down exactly what you got going inside your website. And I look at your guys' here. I got you pulled up, and you got a ton of backlinks. I mean, a ton. And referring domains is good. Keywords potentially could be more. And then organic traffic, right? So ultimately, we have a website. Number one reason, I guess, would be to drive traffic, right? People search for whatever service you're providing, it brings them to the website. In return, you're hoping to get a phone call and a client out of the deal. So with only having one person a month visiting your website, hopefully some of these things you can implement, and this tool can now be used as, a lead generator versus, however you're bringing in your leads now. Backlinks are any place out on the web you have a link that if people clicked on it, it would bring them back to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal. We want to make sure that the backlinks that we do have are relevant to our business areas. We also want to make sure that the backlinks we have out there are up to date. So as backlinks can fall off if they're on blog posts or reviews or things like that that have changed over time or are no longer existent, you'll notice that this power ranking will go down because those backlinks are no longer relevant to your industry or to the people searching for your services. So I would say that with 8,000 backlinks, you might want to go in there and remove some of these and clean them up a little bit. And then obviously we're going to want to make sure we get more keywords inside that content, because that's really going to drive things up as well. What I did was I took one of your competitors, this Divergent family law. They seem to be popping up everywhere atop of the organic listings, and you can see they only got 45 backlinks, but they got double the keywords. And if I go back and show you this, just so you're aware, the keywords you're getting picked up for, I can go in there and see which ones you're getting picked up for. So you're ranked almost on the first page of Google with Horizon Legal Services. So if people are searching you by name, you're going to be popping up pretty quick. But if they're going for Brookfield, Wisconsin attorneys or Brookfield divorce lawyers, you're on the second or third page. Um, a lot of these keywords here, they're not buyer intent keywords. What I mean by buyer intent is, a Waukesha divorce lawyer. That's probably somebody looking for a divorce lawyer in Waukesha. Same thing with Waukesha divorce attorney. But Wisconsin Chapter 128, that's probably just an informational thing. Um, legal coaching, um, things like that. So make sure the keywords are buyer intent, and I guess buyer intent maybe isn't the best word, but um, client intent, client retention intent would be maybe a little bit better. So hopefully that makes sense. So more keywords, more content. Go out there and get those citations, clean up these backlinks, and I think you're going to see a heck of a lot more traffic. Obviously, if we can capture 200 people like this company has come in a month versus you're a couple, I think you would have to agree that that's going to do you a lot of favors and bring potential customers and clients to your service. So hopefully this was beneficial. Hopefully you guys can use some of this information. All I am looking for is a line of feedback to let me know that I hopefully brought some value to your business. Look forward to talking with you in the future. Take care.